New Zealand is an island nation in the South Pacific with an economy that makes the most of a temperate climate and surrounding oceans. Although the primary sector is crucial to our country's prosperity, most of its near 5 million people live in urban areas. Our economy is largely based on exporting high-quality primary products to more than 200 markets around the world. The Ministry for Primary Industries, or MPI, plays a key role in regulatory oversight of the primary sector to ensure it continues to produce high-quality, safe and suitable products. Our vision for New Zealand is to be the world's most sustainable provider of high-value food and primary products. This vision is based on prosperity, sustainability and protection from biological risk. We're responsible for administering and enforcing standards and regulations for food safety, biosecurity, animal welfare, fisheries, forestry and other primary production systems. Our organisation has 5 business units focused on biosecurity, agriculture and investment services, fisheries, food safety and forestry. And we have work areas focused on policy and trade, compliance and governance, public affairs and corporate services.
Round this way.
We have more than 3,000 staff working here and overseas.
Thank you.
MPI is the one government authority responsible for regulating all aspects of primary production, from farms through to harvesting, manufacturing, processing and sale of products on the domestic market or for export. This includes setting and enforcing standards that industries such as dairy, meat, wool, horticulture, seafood and forestry must comply with. Some of the key legislation we administer for the primary sector includes the Food Act, the Animal Products Act, the Wine Act, the Agricultural Compounds and Veterinary Medicines Act, the Animal Welfare Act, and the Biosecurity Act. Our regulatory system sets us apart from many other countries. It's built upon preventative risk and science-based measures to achieve food safety and suitability outcomes. It places responsibility on businesses to demonstrate compliance with the standards we set. This includes operating under approved and registered risk-based programs that are independently verified to manage the risks associated with the products and production processes being undertaken. MPI-approved verifiers regularly audit businesses to ensure they are operating in compliance with their risk-based management programs and are meeting standards. We have our own verification services team providing verification and certification services for all meat, seafood and some dairy facilities. Our systems audit team plays a crucial role in monitoring the overall compliance of the primary sector. This includes auditing and monitoring businesses, verifiers and regulators to ensure they understand the risks associated with their products and comply with the law. This strong regulatory system helps New Zealand to be a sustainable provider of high-value, safe and suitable food and primary products. MPI-approved laboratories sample and test food and other products to ensure they meet local and international requirements. This gives assurance that the systems and controls in place are working. MPI is the government authority responsible for providing official government-to-government assurances to trading partners that our primary products meet both overseas and domestic requirements and confirm standards have been met. We use an electronic certification system known as eCert to provide accurate, traceable and secure certification for our animal, plant and wine exports. The Animal Products eCert system has been adopted widely and is considered international best practice. A key responsibility is protecting our natural environment and preserving our native plants and animal life. Our isolation means we are relatively free of pests and diseases. Maintaining that status has always been a priority for government, industry and people. MPI is responsible for maintaining biosecurity inspection, monitoring and surveillance, and encourages everyone to look out for and report potential biosecurity threats, as every New Zealander has a role to play in preventing pests and diseases from getting into the country, or helping to stop their spread if they do get here. We've also developed government-wide biosecurity response plans and government-industry partnerships, so we can act quickly and effectively if a major pest or disease is detected. With offices strategically spread around the world, MPI helps negotiate access in the 200+ markets our primary sector exports to. This also contributes to solid trade relationships and upholding international rules-based systems. Our legislation aligns with many international standards. We're an active participant in international standard-setting bodies such as the Codex Alimentarius Commission, the International Plant Protection Convention, the World Organization for Animal Health, and the World Trade Organization. We rely on our primary industries, so it's critical we have effective standards and regulations in place. We're committed to working with our primary industries to ensure New Zealand is the world's most sustainable provider of high-value, safe and suitable food and primary products to the world.